Good morning, guys. This is the market today. Nasdaq 100. At the beginning of the day, I think this is like the buyers were in control. So I'm looking for a buy. I'm looking for a market to come down. I take the stops. I'm thinking about this area here or below it. Then I'm going to take my buy. USDT, I'm looking for a buy as well. I'm looking for at least maybe this area here. Looking for a market to kind of like drop up to somewhere around this previous low, and then I'm going to place my buy. Gold, I'm looking for a buy as well. I'm looking for, if you bought here, you would place your stop loss somewhere around here or this low and that one, but then these two, I think they are very far. I'm looking for this area here, looking for it to drop and then finally buy. Let's look at AUDJPY. I think I'm going to be selling today. Going to look for a market to kind of like go up, take out this area here. In fact, this one I think is too close. I'm thinking I'm going to let it come and take out this, either this one or this one, but I'm just gonna be watching it how it plays between this range here. But I'm looking for a sell. I'm looking for a market to kind of come up, take the stops, and then finally sell off. AUD USD, I'm thinking of buying somewhere around this area, between this one and this one, this low and this low. Looking for a market to kind of like drop and then buy. USDT I did. US dollars ZAR, I'm thinking of a sell. Maybe around this low here. Just looking for a market to come up and then finally sell off. US dollar MXN. This one is not clear to me. GBP USD. Well, this one I'm looking for a buy as well. Just gonna let the market come down, take the stops, maybe around this low here or in between this area and this one. That's where I'm going to be looking for a buy, and then I'm targeting this area here. So that's my analysis for today. We'll just have to wait and see how the market behave. And I'm out, guys.